The EA1920iP3 indoor poster LED display is a powerful and exquisitely designed LED product with many outstanding features. First of all, it has a plastic baffle and surrounding edging design, which can effectively protect the lamp beads on the LED module from damage. At the same time, it can also protect the entire LED screen from the impact of the external environment, extend the service life of the display, and improve stability. Secondly, the LED display screen has a simple structure, is easy to operate, and is suitable for various scenarios. Whether it is used for advertising, information release, or product display, it can be easily used. Users can quickly get started without complicated operations and easily realize their needs. In addition, the LED poster screen base is equipped with 4 wheels, which allows the poster LED screen to rotate freely and allows free movement in all directions. This convenient mobility provides users with great flexibility and convenience. The position and direction of the LED screen can be adjusted at any time as needed to meet the needs of different occasions. The most important thing is that the EA1920iP3 series poster screen has the ability to achieve large screen display. The LED poster wall can be connected to multiple displays for linked playback or individual playback. This flexibility and diversity make LED poster screens suitable for various scenarios. Whether it is commercial advertising, exhibition activities, or product display, it can be perfectly presented to meet the needs of users.